I can't wait for my resort vacation coming up in April, so today I thought I would share my packing list. Let's go. We're finally emerging from our winter hibernation, which means blue skies and sunshine are here to stay. Okay, there was that nor'easter that dumped about 3 feet of snow in a major part of the States recently. But once St. Patrick's Day has arrived, Mother Nature more or less starts to cooperate and delivers spring-like temps on a regular basis. Here in Georgia, the weather has been a little bit fickle to say the least, with the 80s one day and a hard freeze the next. I'm a little worried about my hydrangeas that had started to bloom but now look a bit sad after that last frost. Spring truly is an indecisive season. But unpredictable temps might be one reason this is a very popular time of year to pack our bags and get out of Dodge for a long weekend or even a week's worth of warm summer-like temps. I live in a university town that empties out when the students head out on spring break, either for a beach or ski vacation. I'm headed to a lovely resort in April, so a resort vacation is top of mind, and I know many of you are making plans for a resort vacation too. It's time to take inventory of my beach resort gear and decide what are my vacation essentials this year. In an effort to help you get ahead of packing for your next beach trip, I've put together a list of the best resort essentials for women to pack so you have everything you possibly need on vacation, plus a little extra. Let's take a look at what to put on your packing list, from swimsuits and cover-ups to resort-appropriate dresses and pants, and of course all the accessories like sunglasses, sandals, and the prerequisite and always necessary beach hat and tote. Are you ready to plan your first resort vacation of the year? Let's go. Swimsuits are probably the most personal clothing item you can buy. If you're getting vulnerable by showing some skin in public, you want to feel 100% confident. And I also know many of us groan when it's time to go swimsuit shopping or have given up altogether. But take heart. I know there is a swimsuit that's perfect for you. I've selected a pretty wide variety of swimsuits to inspire your shopping list, from full coverage bikinis and one pieces to a swim dress or swim skirt that offers a little more coverage. Swimsuit shopping can be anxiety inducing, but it can also be really fun and energizing when you know what style fits you best. Personally, I think two-piece suits are easier to navigate than one-piece suits, especially when it's time to head to the restroom. Wet one-piece suits can be challenging at times, especially when you're in the Beth. I've struggled a time or two to get my wet one-piece in place after a visit to the restroom. But J.Crew is definitely one of my favorite places to shop when it comes to swimsuits. First, they're well made and typically have a matching cover-up to elevate your poolside chic factor. And they offer a wide variety of selections in solid colors or cheerful patterns. Several years ago, I purchased this leopard two-piece that's still in stock. It is hands down my favorite suit. I also purchased the matching leopard voile beach shirt, which is lightweight and perfect to throw on to traipse through a hotel lobby. But since this leopard swimsuit is still available this year, I decided to add a bandeau top for variety. Last year, I purchased a striped swim dress that's all sorts of fun to wear, yet gives full coverage. I wear that suit with a white beach shirt cover-up and navy bucket hat. This year, I couldn't resist this festival pink two-piece and matching sarong. I can't wait to wear it. Cover-ups. Whether you like to keep things simple with a lightweight dress or want every opportunity to show off your fashion sense with a fun matching set, you can have a lot of fun with cover-ups for beach vacations. You'll be wearing your swimsuits the most, with cover-ups being a close second, so you want to have a few that you feel confident in while you stroll around the grounds, or really from the pool to the bar and the bar to the pool. Let's be honest. I have a variety of cover-ups on hand, and I briefly mentioned a few when chatting about swimsuits. The sky is the limit when it comes to cover-ups, from an oversized white shirt that can be worn with a swimsuit or a pair of denim, to a caftan that's truly elegant in its own right, or the ever-practical yet chic sarong that can be tied in multiple ways. Beach dresses. Cover-ups are strictly casual for daytime wandering, but beach dresses are a whole different area. When you've rinsed off from the day and are basking in the glow of your sun-kissed skin, you want to feel beautiful as you head to dinner. And what better way to do that than a beach dress or a sundress, especially if the temps are hot. Beach dresses can come in a variety of lengths, but a maxi dress that's comfortable, light, and airy is sure to be a hit. Pick a bold pattern and playful sandals for that little extra something, but nothing beats a little white dress for a resort vacation. Beach pants. There's nothing more chic than wearing a fabulous pair of beach pants over your swimsuit. They also come in handy if you end up with an unplanned sunburn and don't want to forego the sun entirely. But you still need some unexpected protection. With the wide leg being so on trend right now, shopping for flowy, chic, high-waisted beach pants is easier than ever. But my all-time favorite is the seaside linen pant from J. Crew that comes in a wide leg and a straight leg. I practically live in these pants all summer long. Shorts. If cover-ups and beach pants aren't really your thing, and your legs are one of your best assets, the right kind of beach shorts always come in handy. Sometimes the easiest thing to slip on when you need to run back to the room, use the restroom, or grab a quick drink at the bar are a great pair of resort-appropriate shorts. I just picked up this adorable pair of resort shorts in a linen blend from a favorite brand of mine, Farm Rio, that always offers bright and bold patterns that are just plain fun to wear. It has a matching blouse, so I couldn't resist snapping up both for a tropical vibe that's perfect for vacation. I also found shorts that are crochet inspired and work well as a cover-up over a swimsuit or paired with a lightweight blouse. But again, J. Crew has my favorite pair of linen blend beach shorts with a drawstring waist that comes in at least 8 colors. Again, I wear these pants all summer long with nary a regret due to the comfort factor. They go with a linen shirt or simple crew neck tee. Wear both if the temps are chilly. Beach sandals. Walking to the beach and claiming your space for the day is a whole lot easier when wearing the right beach sandal. I typically opt for a flip-flop that are durable and I can easily slide them on or off. But don't overlook the Arizona Birkenstock that's waterproof with its rubber-like texture and sleek adjustable straps designed to exercise foot and leg muscles while providing comfort. Accessories. My biggest piece of beach vacation advice is this. Always bring 2 pairs of sunglasses. The first time you go on vacation with 1 pair of sunglasses and either lose or break them, it's your last. I didn't need this to happen twice before I learned my lesson. So I'm sharing a mix of both designer and dupe sunglasses you can pack in your carry-on. But next to a pair of sunglasses, hats are a must-have to shield my face from the sun. Bucket hats have quickly become a favorite as they don't blow off my head as easily as a straw hat or a Panama hat that certainly have their place in time. Baseball caps are also a favorite as the wide brim certainly helps to block the sun. And I love the fact that some hats are designed to retain its shape no matter how many times you squeeze it into your suitcase, carry-on, or a beach bag. And speaking of beach bags, a straw or canvas tote can take a beating from the sun, sand, and even waves that crash to the shore. Mark & Graham offers a wide variety of beach bags and waterproof totes. And if you're a sucker for monograms, they can add one to your favorite beach tote. But one of my all-time favorite totes is from Land's End, who also makes some amazing swim gear as well. But I love this classic canvas tote that I've had monogrammed. It takes me everywhere. And if you've made it this far through the video, you are a very loyal viewer, and I'd love to have you join the Style at a Certain Age family. I have a newsletter. It's very easy to sign up. We'll have everything linked down below. You can join the weekly newsletter or the daily post. Loads of style inspiration, health and wellness, and recipes too. Of course, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.